another nice crappie. Black crappie. About 11 or 12 inches. We're not gonna measure them. See the stripe down his nose there? And it goes all the way underneath underneath his chin. Bottom of his mouth, rather. We're gonna put him in the bucket. So we got some plans for those today. I fried fish yesterday. We're not gonna fry any today. We're gonna bake them and make a crappie salad out of them, just like you do your tuna. And they gonna be good. Trust me, they gonna be good. Okay, we're gonna get it again. Cast them on out there again, over there. Okay, we got out there that time. Yeah. Wish I had my little fisherman out here, Jamel. That boy love to fish. So he can hit some of these crappie. Beautiful day out here today. Hope I can limit out today. I've been getting close. These some nice big crappie. Here we go. Got another one. Another one. He like he's short though. Another one. Yeah. Woo-wee. He loving that today. Little short crappie. Gonna let him go back. Don't want to get a ticket. Keep him short crappie. Ooh, they flying up over there. Ooh, those ducks moving in. Get another one. Okay, I feel him hitting it. He hitting it. There we go. Got another one. Okay. Woo. They hitting. That's a small one. We're gonna let him go back. That's a real little one. I don't even think he's 5 inches. Okay, let's get back out there. Get some more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's see, can we get one now on this one? Misty morning, don't see no sun. I know you out there somewhere having fun. That's that Bob Marley there. Clouds got the sun covered up. Alrighty. We're gonna try to get one another one. Oh, they took that one. We gotta come on back with that one. Hooked into another crappie. He might be 10, striped nose. This is my third one. Gotta put a measurement on him though. Let's see. I'm out here at Sangchris again today at the spillway. We're gonna measure him and see what he measure up to. I got some more in the bucket. Got 3 more in the bucket, as you can see down in there. And let me put a measurement on him so we can see what he measure up to. Oh yeah, he 10. All day long. 10, 11. Catching him 12 and 13 and 14 and make this one look kind of small. That's 4 quick in the bucket. Gonna go back out. I'm throwing it out and counting to 6, letting it dry. I'm reeling it slow and ain't whacking it. Yeah, it's a good day. The rain's supposed to move in around noon. I got it, mine's tipped with a wax worm. It's that I think it's pumpkin seed and chartreuse. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And on the 6th, I start reeling real slow. Wind going about 20 miles an hour today. It's supposed to be up. It's another nice one here. Hope we can stay on here. Woo! Another striped nose, about 11 inches, 12 inches. Another nice striped nose here. Put a measurement on him. Y'all can see him. Let's see what he measure up to. Oh, shoot. Might get our limit today. 12. Calm down, calm down. Hear that shooting? They duck hunting over there. I need to be out here duck hunting. 11 and a half. 11 and a half. We'll take it. They duck hunting over there. Hear those shots? He letting loose. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is my 5th one. Right there. Alrighty. We gonna get out here, get at them again. 10 is the limit out here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, caught a leaf. Woo. Caught me a leaf there. Put another wax worm on here. Make it a little juicy for him. That's the scent of that wax worm on that jig. They love that. Makes them hold on to it. That scent from that wax worm. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, hooked up with a bluegill, a rock bass. I got 6. How many you get? 5? They starting to hit right up in here. All right. think I got 5. I told him 6. I think I got 5. Whatever. It's out there somewhere. Got another one on. No, we don't. I got another one on. Another crappie here. Another striped nose. Oh yeah. Another striped nose there. About 10, 11. Oh. Okay, hold on, boy. I got to. See that? They love that jig there. That's what's on today. I'm gonna give y'all a look at the pack. Another nice crappie. Stuck with another one. Another slab. Woo. Another slab crappie on this 4-pound test line. Woo. About 12, 13. See how thick he is? That's Sangchris. Big crappie. Man, he crappie nice. Walking on these rocks, you break the ankle. Let me measure him. See what he's like. 12 and a 4. Well, 3/4. 12 and 3/4. Almost 13. Five, 6. I was right. I told him right. 6 is the 7th one right here. The 7th one. I think I'm gonna move down a little bit. Another crappie, y'all. Swallowed it too. Woo! I had to move down, walk down a little way. This is a nice one too. That's my 8th one. Using that punky seed and chartreuse. Makes it nice. They love it. They love it. We'll put them in the bucket. Another 12 or 11. Okay, time for me. I'm gonna get out of here. It is 10:28 right now, almost 10:30, and I'm gonna pull some of this water off these crappie, and see all these crappie. That's 4 and 4. That's 8 crappie, and these slabs too. See these slabs? I'm gonna go home, clean them, cook them up. Gotta walk to my car, back over the other way. I don't want to carry all that water. Put this on my back. yeah, this is about a 16.
Yeah, that is a slab.
Oh, oh. Got him. Just sling him on the bank. Right on, appreciate it. You gotta throw it there. Thank you, man. Man, that was a slam, daddy.
That's the biggest crappie I've seen in my damn life.
Man. God.
Glad you wore him out, though. You said that green light.
Shoot. Man, that's a slam, daddy.
Boy.
This is a big mama.
That is man. You gotta take a picture of that and send that to Don.
Yeah, I know that. I know that,
He
right?
gotta be at least 15.
Let's see. 12.
Yeah, he about 15.
Let's see. 12. About right there.
Yeah, he got probably 3 inches on the back.
12.
Yep.
Yep, 15. All day long. God.
Yeah, boy.
You said you want.
Around here.
You said you wanted to see a 15 come out of there. Woo-wee. Man. I caught him right over in front of where you was sitting too. We out here catching crappie under the bridge under 55, and my boy Don just hit a couple of crappie. He got one in his basket already. Just got this slab. We fishing close to these pillars right here, and
he's probably about 9 inches.
yeah, he about 9 inches. He probably not a keeper, but we out here hitting them though, baby.
That boy is tension tight. Over 10. See
Over
that?
10, baby. That's a keeper. Woo!
I'll tell you, we're going to catch our motherfucking limit plus a little bit.
Yeah, we're going to catch our limit today. Yeah, today is the 29th of November. And we decided to get out here today. I just got off of work at 9 o'clock this morning. The boy put him down in his basket. That's probably number 2 with a nice bluegill. Oh, yeah.
Let's get it started in here.
Okay, my boy just hit another one. He's small, but he got it. It's a crappie. We're under the bridge. 55. Oh yeah. Now what you using there?
White chartreuse jig.
White chartreuse tip with a wax
Tip
worm.
with a wax.
With a slip bobber.
Yep, slip bobber set up.
About what, 4 feet? 4?
Yeah, fishing about 3.5.
3.5, 4 feet.
Yeah.
What kind of rod you got?
This is Bucks Graphite.
Bucks Graphite from Walmart. See that?
Light action.
Light action. Oh yeah. And I'm going along with, okay, I'm going with a 4-pound test line with a monkey milk chartreuse. Excuse the camera work. With a Ruby Hunter. It's a 6.5 foot. Okay, I'm put it on pause.